Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best Jleisure Avenli Pool accessory, the Avenli 29P481 CleanPlus Small Filter Cartridge Replacement. If you own an Avenli CleanPlus 300-gallon swimming pool pump, this is the essential replacement part designed to keep your pool water sparkling clean and your pump running efficiently. This small filter cartridge is compatible not only with the Avenli CleanPlus filter pumps but also with other 300-gallon filter pump models. Its compact size, measuring approximately 0.35 by 0.31 by 0.31 inches, allows it to fit perfectly and work effectively at trapping dirt and debris that would otherwise cloud your pool water. One of the standout features of this filter cartridge is its ease of maintenance. It's reusable and environmentally friendly, so instead of disposing of it after use, you can simply rinse it out and keep it in prime condition. This makes it a cost-effective and sustainable option for pool maintenance. To ensure optimal performance of your pool pump and clean water, it's recommended to replace the filter cartridge every 2 to 5 weeks. Regular replacement prevents clogging and maintains proper water flow, which is crucial for the longevity of your pool equipment. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned pool owner or a first-time user, swapping out the old filter for this new cartridge can be done quickly, keeping downtime to a minimum and your pool ready for fun. In terms of durability, the Jleisure Avenli CleanPlus cartridge is built to last through multiple cleaning cycles, absorbing dirt efficiently to maintain that crystal-clear pool experience all season long. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and eco-conscious filter cartridge for your above-ground pool, the Jleisure Avenli 29P481 CleanPlus Small Filter Cartridge Replacement is a smart choice. It offers great value by helping you keep your pool water pristine without complicated maintenance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed reviews of the best products out there.